available at your Cherokee Titan Outlet store. A 1997 New Holland 664 round baler. This baler features a hydraulic super sweep pickup and standard tires. All belts are in good condition. This baler creates a 5x6 bale within a variable bale chamber, and in the rear is a bale kicker. It uses a 1000 slipclutch PTO, and its estimated bales of use are 24,629. Overall, this baler is in good condition. If you have questions or interested in this baler, please give us a call at 877-866-7010 or visit us online at www.titanoutletstore.com.